as well as packaging flowers, there's also packaging bottles and things. And here we've got a bottle of wine, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll out my craft paper. I'm going to measure how much paper I need at the bottom, and I'm going to roughly need about 6 to 7 inches from the top. So that will give me enough paper to wrap my bottle. So this is without wasting any money. First of all, I'm going to just fold over this edge, which just allows me to have a little bit of strength. So I've just folded that edge over. I'm going to take some double-sided sticky tape all the way down one side. Okay, so now we've got the double-sided sticky tape across the top here. Now we can peel that away, and that leaves the sticky edge. Now the easiest way then is to take your bottle and making sure that it's just enough to cover the base, and then you gently roll the bottle straight on, and that fastens nice and neatly down the back, so it gives you this real nice neat seam. You then fold the edge of the bottom in and catch underneath. And so we are now ready to get to make the shape of the bottle. So here is the top of the bottle, working roughly about 2 inches higher. I've squeezed out the air, which is the most important thing. I am then going to cut at an angle either side. So if I turn the bottle around, this section needs to be folded straight across here. Take a small piece of sellotape to hold and do the same on the opposite side. Where we've actually made those little slits, we take the sellotape and fasten those in. So where you've got this little hole here, you're actually just concealing those in so that they're fastened together, like so. Taking some double-sided sticky tape, you take that around so you've got this all the way around. You then peel that away like so, and then you can just fold those ends in, and then we're ready now to cover those mechanics. So we've already got the double-sided sticky tape placed across the top of the bottle here. I'm now going to take a piece of oil, and because we've got that double-sided sticky tape, this means I can fasten around and take the ribbon all the way around the base. And the reason why I'm doing that is so that we will have quite a nice neat background. I can then fold down the shoulders and we can just catch either side like so. So this is now concealing all the mechanics at the top. Taking the same piece of ribbon, I need to measure, and I need to take 1, 2, 3, approximately 3 widths of this ribbon, and then cut any excess away. So we've got the back, we now fold down 1, and we now fold down 2. Let me just show you. 1, 2. The reason being is now that we can take a piece of ribbon and we fold that inside the top. And this then allows us to turn, and this now starts to make your shirt collar. This could be tied into a dicky bow if required. This way I'm actually just making into a proper shirt, a tie. I'm just taking the two sections, get them sorted, trim the ends, just make one a little bit shorter, just take a small piece of double-sided tape and there you have a great gift for a gent, just by using a very, very small amount of craft paper and some voile.